October 26, 2024, deputies in Ocala, Florida, responded to a man who claimed he needed medical help. But while they waited for an ambulance, 42-year-old James suddenly ran toward a sheriff's patrol vehicle, climbed inside, and drove away. What followed was a high-speed pursuit, with deputies chasing their own stolen patrol car.
Okay, who is this person?
I know he's a drug addict, I think.
Does he live on this property right now?
No.
Do you know where he's at right now?
Yeah, he's right there. I was just pointing to, that's his head.
Hello, Sheriff's Office. What's going on?
I'm having a really bad day.
Okay.
You have my police record?
I've got nothing, sir. All we got was a phone call saying you were at a cemetery, which wasn't the case. So what is it going on? What is it you called us out here for?
What did dispatch say?
They told us that you called, said people were after you, you were in the trees, and then a second call came in, you said you were at the cemetery.
And are you guys here to like protect and serve my best interests?
I'm here because you called. I'm not sure what it is we can do for you. That's what we're trying to figure out.
I violated probation by doing drugs. Copious amounts of drugs.
Well, if all you've done is use drugs prior to us being here, you're not in possession of any drugs, there's nothing we can do about your probation. I can't violate you for having consumed something prior to my arrival.
Psychiatric help. Who would you recommend?
Are you thinking about injuring yourself, hurting yourself in any way?
No. I'm thinking about laying here till the stars come up.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey.
Where are you off to?
We don't.
Yeah. Is your car locked?
Yeah.
No. Whose car is that? I just locked it. Hey! 5507. Hey! Stop the car!
5507.
Hold the station, man. The subject that's on my vehicle attempted to take it to data. Hey!
LPR, 333. Marion Anthem.
Hey!
She can
5507, I'm back at Channel 2.
Hey, is he in this car? Or he's in the front.
Party vehicle.
Marion, I need every unit. Start heading this way. That's not on something. Marion, make contact with that ambulance. Tell them to stay right there at that gate and keep it blocked.
Don't open that gate. 67, where do you need me?
We are in the field, 1547.
Stay off the radio. Listen, if we can keep that front gate locked, he can't get out of here.
You got your seatbelt on? Yes, sir. Hey, I want one of you to get over there by that front gate in case that ambulance moves.
Big kid, I grab my front gate. Keep it blocked. We got a contained. Hey, back off. We got him contained into this thing. Just give him some space.
At a distance right now.
How am I looking later on?
Hey, whose vehicle is this?
ID, that's 5507.
5507, do you have any unsecured firearms in this vehicle I need to know about?
I don't know.
You have the weight on it. You don't have any additional handguns in there? 54, I just have my service pistol on me and then the rifle that's in the lock.
10-4, sounds good.
Sergeant, he came up on channel 3.
All right, we're going through. He made it out of gate, Marion. We're on 52nd Street. 52nd Street, headed towards Pine.
Towards New Pine on 52nd Street.
Notify OPD. He is not running with lights or sirens. He is at a high speed.
Thanks, 64 everyone.
All right, slowing down for traffic. Let's see what happens. All right, we're northbound Pine. Northbound Pine.
Northbound on Pine.
70, stop stick in front of the Queens.
Stop 6 in front of the Queen.
All right, we missed this first set of stop sticks. Still going northbound Pine.
10-4, still northbound.
Going up Lake Ware Avenue. There's a train, so we're going to continue north on Pine.
Northbound on Pine coming up to Lake Ware Ave.
Just past Lake Ware Avenue.
Just past Lake Ware.
There's a GPS tracking in that car.
That's 10-4.
Coming up to Queen's Garden.
Coming up to Queens.
Sticks at Queens. My sticks are out of commission. Someone ran them over.
Negative hit on sticks. Negative hit on sticks. Still northbound.
Still northbound.
Passing 32nd. Hold up, hold up. Clear,
Passing
clear, clear,
32nd.
clear. Get out of my damn way. All right, coming up to the overpass for the train.
Coming to overpass for the train.
Now, unit, stay out of the pursuit.
All right, passing 23rd Street.
Passing 23rd Street. OPD is patched.
Simple.
Marion, OPD needs to stay out of my way. They're about to cause a signal 4.
All OPD units stay out of the pursuit. I only need kilo. Until their kilo comes. Behind OPD kilo. 14 northbound. I wasn't able to find him.
Off the damn radio. I need the radio, guys. Passing 200.
Passing 200.
Get ready.
Plus, you to raise it to 9. Continue, please.
I'm going back south.
Going back south.
Marion, I'm out.
Come for.
This is 21. I need you out of the way. And, behind Kilo. They are going westbound on 10th Street now.
6585. I'm behind OPD. We're westbound 10th Street.
Westbound 10th Street.
I'm behind you. What they call it? You can get a pin on that car. Get a pin on that car.
$65.85. I'm out.
10 out. 5980.
I'm behind it. I'm gonna try and pit, Marion.
I'm trying to pit.
Okay, pit. 200 and okay. Okay.
Pit.
Do not let him get out of there.
Head! Keep your hands up! Take your time. Take your time. We got all the time in the world, guys.
You just stole a cop car, shut your mouth, get out of the car. Open the door now! Take your right hand and grab that door handle on the outside.
Watch our crossfire, guys. Watch our crossfire.
Take your right hand and grab the door handle on the outside. Step out and face away. Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Get on the ground.
Step to your right. Face away. Face away.
On the ground.
I'll go. Gentlemen, I told the cops twice. These guys showed up, and I think the cops were false. There's something going on at the Hilltop Lounge. I think they're running prostitution. Somebody ride with, please. I think they're doing prostitution out there. I accidentally stole the main guy's car in 2020.
Let your hand go.
All right. I think I stole his car in 2020. Anyway, I was up there for the last week. They drugged me, and I think they have other people in there. I came out, and I was listening to the guy talk, and he's like, "Boss, I think this is the guy that stole your car earlier. You want to meet him?" The boss was sitting there.
Listen, roll to your bike.
I'm scared. I've done this before. I don't trust her and the guy.
The pursuit eventually came to an end, but the consequences for James were far from over. James was later convicted of burglary of an authorized emergency vehicle, fleeing or attempting to elude, and grand theft of a motor vehicle. In December 2025, he was sentenced to 20 years in Florida State Prison. The sentence brought a serious conclusion to an incident that began with a call for medical assistance and ultimately resulted in multiple felony convictions.